Hey guys, we're doing cooking for Kymmy. Alright. So tonight we are having some steak. This here, I was going to do like a salad, so I've got some mix, some beetroot, mushrooms, shallots. I like shallots in with my, what do I call it?
Potato salad.
Potato salad, yeah. So I'm going to do this first. So it's going to be a short video, right? Like, you know how I do my little clicky finger things? All right, so if you do them quite small, the pieces, it's a lot quicker to, you know, for them to cook. These are nice spuds. Kymmy's already peeled the spuds for me, didn't you, darling?
Yes, I lost the bet.
You lost the bet. What was the bet? Oh, yeah. So Kymmy went for a nap, right? Because she likes her naps, don't you, darling?
Yes, I do.
So she had a nap today, and she goes, I'll set the alarm. I dropped the spud. The alarm.
For 1:30.
For 1:30. And when Kymmy has a nap, I just let her sleep. I never wake her up, you know, because she works so hard, and she needs her naps. Now, we tried to sleep together again last night.
That's why I needed a nap.
With the dog as well, I might add. With the dog. So the dog gets off the bed. We finally get to sleep. Right, well, I finally get to sleep. I don't know what the hell she's doing because she's snoring part of the time when I'm talking to her, so I don't know what's going on there. But, so we finally get to sleep. And the dog's trying to get up on the bed and it's scratching. She must have, it's like a metal bed or something, is it?
Wood.
Wood, is it? Jeez, it sounded like it was hitting metal. Anyway, yeah, so, and I'm like, just stay here. We've got to get through this to sleep there because she snores, you know? You think you're in bed with one of them dragons out of Game of Thrones, right? So, and we both, you know, like, we both slept alone for a long time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And you're used to your own bed.
And you take up all the bed anyway.
Oh, come on. So do, but so do you, darling.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's like, anyway, so at about, I don't know, 3 o'clock this morning, it's gone 3 a.m. because I'm laying there going, hey, Google, what's the time? Because we have one at Google set up in Kymmy's place now as well as my place. Anyway, going back to the story. So she set the alarm, so she says, on the thing to wake her up at 1:30. And then it didn't wake her at 1:30, so she's blaming Google. You know, and I like Google, so I'm like, it's not Google's fault. Google sometimes, my Google sometimes doesn't listen to her. Like, because the voice, and she just doesn't listen. And that really bothers you, doesn't it, Kymmy?
Yes.
It feels like you get jealous of Google, basically.
She's a bitch.
She's not a fucking bitch. She's an AI, darling.
I don't care.
You're losing your shit over a fucking... Anyway. So... she goes, the alarm didn't work. It didn't wake me up. Why'd you let me sleep? She got up about 3 or something like that.
I did not. Got up at
4:30, was it? 2, like, yeah, right, yeah. Oh, it was only half an hour, actually. Yes, dear.
Yeah.
Yes, dear, of course it is. So, have I got this turned on? What's going on?
Is anywhere red?
No,
Then no, you haven't.
doesn't work.
Yeah.
Well, how come it's not working then?
Oh.
Come here and show me how it's not working. Oh, has I got one? Oh, I got the back one on.
Yeah, you turn it off and you turn this one on. See the little thing, this
Yeah,
one?
but I want
you
that one
need
on.
But this is a bigger ring.
Yeah, but I'm going to cook the steak on that,
Oh,
aren't I?
okay. Yeah.
Oh, so it's this one.
Yes. Which one?
You're not even fucking looking.
No, because you should know how to work. Oh, sorry, this is a proper oven. I have different speeds on mine.
You get fucked. See how mean she is to me?
Here,
All right.
you missed the potato.
I missed the potato head. All right, so I missed the potato. Geez, a lot of potatoes. How many bloody potatoes?
I need to peel salad.
I did not.
You did.
She makes things up, guys.
Anyway, the Google story is that he went and set the alarm for 3 o'clock and it worked.
Yeah, so she's like, Google don't work. And I said, Google works fine. You don't know what you're doing. So then we set the alarm for 3 p.m. Oh, so you must have been up.
Yeah, it was up.
Yeah, you were up. So it was 2:30 you got up then. So, or something like that. Because we were arguing about it. We're not arguing, discussing, which is us arguing, basically. Anyway, so the alarm went off at 3 o'clock. She had to peel the spuds because that was the bet. But, you know.
Because Google's a bitch.
Google's a bitch. Worked fine. And then it's not loud enough. She goes, that wouldn't bloody wake me anyway. Oh my giddy aunt, I say.
Why aren't you an attack dog?
But just a little tiny fucking dog. Now this I should have already had boiling before I did that. There goes one spud on the floor. See how mean she is to me? Oh, that's another one there. But we got the water in there because Kymmy left the spuds in there when she did it. All right, so that's our spuds in there. All right, so now this can come back over here.
Are you putting bacon in your...
Hey?
Are you putting bacon in the
In my what?
potatoes?
Maybe, but I like to cook that as well. I don't like boiled potato, so I'll probably do that in the steak and then put it in like that. Do you know what I mean? She's telling me what to do now, but sort of saying in a subtle way. You know how women do that to you? Because a good woman, right, will let you think that you're in charge. When really, we know we're not. All right, so I like these. I don't, that there hasn't got a lot of taste. But these bits, yeah, she wants to plant them. That's enough anyway. Right, so these here I'm going to put in the potato salad as well. Just gives you that oniony taste. In fact, these greeny bits don't really have much taste at all. Tastes like dirt more than anything. So those there are going to go in the potato as well. Also another little bit of onion. Have we got any onion already cut? I don't think I need that with the other onions.
No, I don't think you need
No.
more onion in it
Than what I got. Yeah. So that's the steak. So, all right. So I'm going to end that there, and then we'll start when it's going next one. Ready? 1, 2, 3. When this finishes, you'll go. It'll be back on. And we're back. All right. This is where I'm up to. So my spuds are done in here. Okay. So that's just going to be poured out. Now I like to try and use that, right, the same pan, because it's already hot. So you might grab that like that, right? And I want to put this over here actually. And put some butter in the bottom to start with. Spoons, I don't see. Kymmy's place. Some butter. Some butter. Some mayo. Now, I'll get these spuds, put them in here. Now, I'm just going to stir them through. As Kymmy quite likes to eat these while they're hot, don't you, darling?
I do.
All right, so I'm just going to let them keep getting warm. Well, I've got that turned off, right? But they'll be all right there. No, a little bit of salt and pepper. So this is bacon. So I'm going to put bacon in with my thing as well, and they'll go in there. We don't need to cook them. All right. We can cook the bacon up first. So just let that go. What else have we got over here? Okay, I want a bit of pepper in this. Mix that in. Grab our shallots. Shallots will go in. Alright, the bacon. I don't want this like hard and crunchy. You can. Some people like it like that, like you're doing like a Caesar salad sort of thing. Here's a bit longer. That's a salad there. We'll do some mushrooms in with the steak, right? When I put that on, I'll let the steak out of the fridge for probably 20 minutes. Kymmy wants 2 big bits, don't you, baby? Yeah. You find women of a certain age, you've got to give them plenty more meat, you know. It's all fun till you mention stuff in it, eh, boys? Oh, I love the smell of bacon. And we'll put a couple of nice plates. What should we use to do the salad in, babe? You got a bowl, nice bowl or something?
I've got a bowl, yeah. I'll heat it up.
Yeah, you want to come help?
Yeah.
You press pause on your telly show, you want?
Oh, that's right.
What are we watching? Criminal Minds, isn't it?
Criminal Minds,
Yeah.
yeah.
See there? They're still firm. And see how small I've done the pieces?
Very nice.
But they'll be firm still. Good. Right, put up with that. Kimmy's going to do the salad, aren't you, babe?
There it is.
What, babe?
I couldn't find the sauce.
Oh, okay. This won't take long to steak because it's not real thick. Oh God, look at me. Where's the tongs? I'm such an idiot. Here's a stabby knife. I mean, really, all this will do is make you realise I can't cook. They're not ready for turning yet. And we'll cook 4. I don't know whether I'll eat 2, but we'll do it anyway. It's cold's nice anyway. And maybe some mushies, babe. What do you think? Just a few? We'll probably have mushies for brekkie tomorrow as well, so
Yeah.
I won't do a lot. Just throw them in there. Give your mushrooms a wash first. The coroner's the bad guy.
Yeah, he's all burnt up.
Yeah.
Soup.
Oh my God, what was that? Silence of the Lambs shit.
Yeah.
Damn, that's good. Yeah, I don't mind that at all. Is this frying pan? Have you got a lid for this?
Yes, in the cupboard.
Which cupboard, baby?
Where have you got the pan from, darling? We've got left hand side.
Oh, is that one right at the bottom, the big one? Yeah, that'll do. Oh, that tastes pretty good, you know. Alright, they can go back in the fridge. Have I got that on the lid right? I don't know. I didn't even put any... I was going to put Maloney milk. I didn't even put any milk in it.
Oh, in what?
In the... Because I'm also making mashed potatoes, so... No. But when I got it, Maloney milk, you know, because we like our Maloney milk. It's expensive, but it's good. And Kymmy used to look after the kiddies, didn't you?
I still do.
You still do? Yeah, the kids that go to a school.
There was 3, now there's 2.
Yeah. So I only took that lid on, just take the lid on for a minute or so. Just, because really you like to cook steak without the lid on. Oh, this is pretty good here too. Oh, look at that. Looks good, doesn't it? Yeah, this is, I mean, she cracks on about her oven, but, yeah.
You just don't know how to work it. You don't know how to work a real oven.
No. Well, you know more about ovens than me, baby.
Yeah.
That's for sure. Well, I feel like we're waiting now. That'll be enough. And the rest of that, I mean, this is a potato salad, really. So you'd cool that down and have that as potato salad. But Kymmy likes it hot, don't you, babe? So we're happy to do that like that. We got beetroot, and that's the salad she's got cooking up there. I better put the salt and pepper back on the table. We played Scrabble earlier today, didn't we, darling?
Yes, and I was
How bad did you lose by?
really badly, like 80 points or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was sad.
Not for everybody.
No, not for you.
We didn't have a bet on it though, baby. Didn't cost you anything. You didn't lose part of your soul. So it's Tuesday night. We're having a late, because Kymmy slept most of the day.
Well, don't
So
me.
we had it late. So look at the time. It's like nearly 8 o'clock. It's late to eat.
Yes, you're not supposed to eat till after 7, before, after 7.
See, we got that there. Now, I always got told 6.
No, after 7.
But we don't care about such things.
No, because I'm a midnight slacker.
You are. Hide the chocolate, guys. Hide the chocolate. I cleaned out the spare room and brought the single bed up here. And when I was cleaning out the spare room, I found wrappers. So the spare bed's where Kymmy was sleeping, man. Oh, they caught him.
Yes.
Caught him. I'm going to eat this. All right. Well, I reckon that's probably enough. You get the bloody idea, right? So they're going to be cooked. You're sitting around watching nothing. All right. Pleasure's all. That's cooking for Kymmy. Say bye, darling.
Bye.
Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. All right. I'll just show you what it looks like.
It looks yum. Really yummy.
Yeah. The salad's good. Let's get a Pepsi Max with hers, aren't you, darling?
Yes, darling.
All right. Well, that's it. So bye-bye again, because
Bye.
it's late. It's 8 o'clock. We're having dinner. Bye.